We are Resolved Analytics, and in short, we live, breathe, and eat computational fluid dynamics. We started about 10 years ago with the focus on specifically delivering CFD simulations, CFD consulting services to partners in industry. Over time, our customers made it clear to us that we'd be even more valuable to them if we could not only provide that service and solution to them, but if we could help them onboard the necessary experience and know-how and tools so that they could solve that problem themselves. So our vision is to do a CFD Done With You model where we can provide the whole range of portfolio of capabilities, including services and training and software and a community built around CFD. Our partnership with Siemens has been very enabling to that mission of growing the use of CFD in the industry. There are two particular CFD software packages that Siemens has, FLOEFD and STAR-CCM, which are bedrocks of this Done With You CFD approach. They're best-in-class CFD softwares. They're both completely different but complementary tools, and they really form the foundation of what we're able to offer to our customers. We've developed a modern training program that's distilled the know-how of our team into an online, bite-sized, engaging course that people can take and get up to speed as quick as possible. We've built an engaging user community where people have access to our technical experts one-on-one in real time, but it also encourages one-on-one customer interaction so they can learn from one another. And finally, of course, it rounds out with our CFD services and our ability to build custom training programs for those hard-to-answer customer questions. Another aspect of the Siemens partnership has been our ability to leverage the network that we've accessed with STAR-CCM and with Siemens partners. And with the Siemens partner network, almost any imaginable digital engineering challenge, we can reach out to network partners who can collaborate with us on that solution. Customers now are facing bigger problems like developing a digital thread from design to manufacturing to product lifecycle. And of course, much of that is outside the scope of our specific expertise in CFD. So we're glad that we're able to collaborate with other partners in delivering those whole system solutions. Resolved Analytics is always adapting to what our customers are needing. We've seen an uptick in interest in using CFD earlier in the design process, and that's complementary to FLOEFD and CAD embedded CFD. We've seen an uptick in customers wanting to use it more comprehensively in like a design of experiments, an optimization situation. So that's complementary of STAR-CCM's design manager tool and all the optimization capabilities of that. We've seen an uptick in customer interest in cloud-based simulation. So we're helping customers get on the cloud to reduce IT deployment times and costs. And of course, we're seeing an uptick in people asking us questions about how we can leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence in the context of CFD and fluid dynamic system designs. So we're just getting into answering those questions for the customers. But really, I think there's so much meat left on the bone of what our core mission here is, and that's to increase the use of computational fluid dynamics for small and medium-sized companies. And we think we're just starting to make our mark in transitioning the CFD simulation industry from allowing customers or expecting customers to go learn on their own and do it on their own to building this more collaborative model. We really think that the next few years, we're going to change this industry and increase the use of CFD greatly.